Hello and welcome to Skef Distributing Retailer Portal. In this video, we will be doing a quick retailer portal walkthrough to show you some of our key ordering features. On the home page of the retailer portal, you will see how to search for products, create an order, see your sales rep and customer service contact information, see your information, and also your delivery day frequency. Up at the top right-hand corner, under the search bar, you will be able to see your account balance and your next delivery date right below. You can also see your recent orders and invoices underneath the invoice. You will also see when it was delivered and the amount. By clicking on the file icon at the top, you are also able to download a PDF version of your invoice that you are able to print. When creating an order, you can quickly see everything you have previously ordered and add items to your cart by pressing the plus button or simply entering the amount that is required. As you can see, everything populates into the cart in real time. In Create Order, the first items are always the items that have been previously ordered. You can also search for additional products up at the search bar at the top. In this example, we will type in IPA and press Enter. All products are displayed in alphabetical order. You can change the sort order by clicking on the sort icon next to the search icon. Click on Sort By, and you can click on Description Z to A, and it will change your sort order. Anything out of stock will display on the search page, so you can easily see existing inventory status and order packages that are available for delivery. Once everything you need has been added to your cart, you can simply go to your cart and review your order. You can see all the costs and savings that are broken down for easy budgeting and accounting. Hit Place Order, and you will receive your items on your next delivery date. Click Continue after the prompt. You'll see on your home page that your new open order invoice is under your recent orders, and your delivery date for that invoice will be displayed below. If you need to add additional items prior to your delivery date because you notice something's missing, or if you need something else in addition to your existing order, simply go back to the home page and continue searching for the products you need, and it will be consolidated into one invoice on your delivery date. Please remember to order by the cutoff time of 4 p.m. the day before your delivery to ensure a timely delivery. If you have multiple accounts, simply click on your account name at the top right-hand corner, and this will allow you to manage multiple accounts quickly and easily to ensure your orders are going to the right locations. If you have any additional questions, please contact your sales rep, and thank you so much for using Skef Distributing Retailer Portal.